Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today, get ready to have your mind absolutely blown, because we're diving deep inside the 2026 Kenworth T3000 Motorhome, a jaw-dropping $6 million masterpiece that turns luxury travel into pure art. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace on wheels, blending Kenworth's legendary power with the kind of comfort you'd expect from a five-star hotel. From the very first glance, the T3000 demands your attention. The front design is aggressive yet elegant, featuring a massive chrome grille, aerodynamic LED lighting, and a futuristic silhouette that slices through the air. Built on Kenworth's new lightweight chassis, it combines the raw muscle of a semi-truck with the precision of next-generation engineering. Every curve, every line screams performance and prestige. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior is pure sophistication, a seamless blend of innovation and indulgence. Imagine handcrafted Italian leather seats, real wood trims, and soft touch surfaces that wrap around you like luxury itself. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, changing colors to match your mood, while the panoramic smart windows automatically tint based on sunlight. It's like living inside a private jet, only with more space and freedom. The cockpit is straight out of the future. A massive wraparound digital dashboard gives you full command over navigation, entertainment, and climate control. The AI-assisted co-pilot monitors traffic, adjusts your speed, and even helps you park this massive beauty with precision. There's a voice-controlled command system that lets you manage everything, from lights to temperature, with just a few words. Now step into the living area, and things get even more luxurious. Plush reclining sofas, a 70-inch 8K smart TV, and an immersive surround sound system turn the lounge into your own private cinema. The kitchen is sleek and fully automated, equipped with smart appliances, a hidden induction stove, a built-in coffee bar, and stunning quartz countertops. Every detail feels handcrafted to perfection. The master suite is an absolute dream. A king-size bed with premium memory foam, soft LED ceiling lights that mimic a starry sky, and a digital control system for lighting and privacy. There's even a walk-in closet, along with a luxury bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror that displays weather updates and travel info while you freshen up. Powering this giant is a hybrid diesel-electric engine, combining massive torque with exceptional fuel efficiency. Solar panels on the roof, long-range batteries, and off-grid capabilities mean you can live anywhere in complete luxury and independence. The Kenworth T3000 Motorhome 2026 isn't just transportation, it's transformation. Every mile becomes an experience. Every journey feels like a first-class adventure. This is the future of luxury travel, bold, powerful, and breathtaking.